Welcome to Sambalpur University, a place where knowledge meets tradition, and aspirations turn into achievements. As we move forward through this lush green campus, we approach a hub of mathematical excellence, our Department of Mathematics. Established in 1969, the Department of Mathematics has been a pillar of academic strength, shaping young minds and advancing the frontiers of mathematical research. Step inside, where equations come to life, numbers tell stories, and every theorem unravels a new possibility. Welcome to the Department of Mathematics, Sambalpur University, a place where numbers speak, equations solve mysteries, and legacies are built. For decades, this department has been guided by brilliant minds, professors whose dedication and passion for mathematics have shaped generations of scholars. Here, we honor those who have dedicated their lives to mathematical excellence. From esteemed educators who have shaped the department to scholars making groundbreaking contributions in the field, this board is a testament to their impact. Their work continues to inspire, their teachings remain immortal, and their legacy lights the path for the mathematicians of tomorrow. Every name here tells a story of perseverance, discovery, and an undying love for mathematics. This board is more than just a collection of photographs. It evolves. Beyond research and teaching, the smooth operation of the department relies on this office, the center of all official activities, from admissions to academic records and student services. Every aspiring mathematician's journey at Sambalpur University begins here. From admission processing to course registrations, scholarship applications, and academic certifications, this office ensures a seamless experience for students and faculty alike. With dedication and efficiency, the administrative team works tirelessly to support students, helping them navigate the path of higher education in mathematics. But mathematics is more than just formulas and theorems, it is also about ideas, creativity, and expression. And here, at our Wall magazine, students showcase their mathematical explorations, artistic insights, and academic reflections. This platform provides a space for students to share their thoughts, discoveries, and even the beauty of mathematics beyond the classroom. Whether through articles, puzzles, or artwork, every piece here reflects the passion and curiosity of young minds. Learning happens not just in classrooms but also through discussions, creativity, and exploration. The Wall magazine stands as a testament to the lively mathematical culture of our department. At the helm of our department stands a leader dedicated to academic excellence, Professor Arun Kumar Tripathi, our esteemed head of the department. Guiding both faculty and students, Professor Tripathi ensures the smooth functioning of the department while fostering an environment of research, learning, and innovation. With a vision for progress and a commitment to excellence, our head of the department leads the department toward new academic horizons, ensuring that the legacy of mathematics at Sambalpur University continues to grow. But some teachers, even after retirement, continue to guide and inspire students. Here, we meet Professor Sabita Sahu, a renowned expert in algebra, who, despite retiring, remains deeply connected to the department. A passionate mathematician and a dedicated teacher, Professor Sabita Sahu has shaped the lives of countless students. Her expertise in algebra continues to enlighten young minds, proving that true educators never stop teaching. Her commitment to mathematics goes beyond retirement. Whether through lectures, research discussions, or mentoring students, Professor Sahu's presence in the department remains invaluable. Great teachers never truly retire, they continue to guide, inspire, and shape young minds. As we move ahead, we come to the heart of student interaction, where young minds receive mentorship, encouragement, and expert guidance from our esteemed guest faculties. Here, we meet Dr. Madhuchanda Sahu and Mr. Rajesh Kumar Sahu, two dedicated faculty members who not only excel in their respective fields but also connect deeply with students as mentors and guides. It was a quiet afternoon in the Department of Mathematics at Sambalpur University. The sun cast long shadows through the trees outside, and a gentle breeze carried the distant echoes of students engaged in lively discussions. Amidst this academic serenity lay the heart of the department's digital realm, the computer lab. In the mathematics department's computer lab, students and researchers work with LaTeX to draft research papers, project reports, and presentations.